Are you looking to lose weight by drinking green smoothies? Make sure to watch this video because I'm gonna show you 3 ways to do it right now. Hey Rockstar, it's Jen from Simple Green Smoothies, and today I have 3 delicious green smoothie recipes right here that I'm gonna show you how to make sure that when you're drinking them, they're also helping you lose weight. Because that's a big question we get all the time is, I'm drinking green smoothies, but I'm not losing weight, and that's what you wanna do. So one of the most important things that I recommend if you are drinking these as a way to take you further on your weight loss journey is I would have your green smoothie as a meal replacement. So instead of eating breakfast or lunch, drink this smoothie for your meal. And what this does is it reduces calories, but it also increases nutrients. But you can't just drink any smoothie as it is because it's gonna leave you hangry. And so we gotta boost it. So to do that, you can take your favorite recipe, whatever you're using daily. I'm gonna show you a citrus breeze. So this is one of my favorite recipes. What I would do to make it a meal replacement is I could add in about a 1/4 cup of oats. So these are gluten-free rolled oats, so there's no allergy issues, you won't get bloating. If your blender is not a high-powered one, you can soak these before so that it softens them, and then add it to your smoothie, blend it again. I would also add some healthy fats. So avocado is a great one. Just take a 1/4 of an avocado, put it in there too. So the key to making any green smoothie recipe, or any smoothie recipe really, into a meal replacement one is adding protein and healthy fats. And we like to stay within the plant-based world because there's less issues of allergies or inflammation. And honestly, I just feel way better when I stick with plant-based foods in my smoothies. So that is how you can turn this one into a meal replacement. If you are drinking Spa Cleanser, which is a great one for beauty, for your skin, it has avocado, pineapple, and coconut water in it. If I were gonna turn this into a meal replacement, I would add hemp hearts. Hemp hearts are a great plant-based protein source. And then I would also add in some coconut oil. So this is a great brand. Make sure you're getting organic, unrefined, because you want as little processed as possible because plants are good naturally, so let's not strip them away and take away the good stuff. So that's what I would do for this one. Add it to it, blend it again, you'll be good to go. And then this last one, it's a meal replacement, but it's also even doing more. So what we've added to our fat-burning, metabolism-boosting green smoothie is we have green tea in it. So if you're trying to lose weight, you need more energy so that you can work out. You also need your metabolism to get a kickstart. That's what this smoothie will do for you. So we've added green tea to it, which has the caffeine, so that you're more motivated to work out. Go outside, take a walk, do some squats right here, whatever it is to get moving, to burn fat, that's what this smoothie will do. Also to boost it, I do chia seeds. So chia seeds are high in omega-3s. They're also a great source of protein and fiber. So this will help fill you up more. So it makes it where you almost feel like you had a big meal because the chia seeds continue to expand after you drink your smoothie. So it's a great option. So if you are trying to lose weight, green smoothies have done it for thousands and thousands, probably millions of people at this point. And it's a great way to go because it's natural, it's tasty if you follow our recipes, and it's lasting. So what you learn by drinking green smoothies is that you can do this forever. There's no pills, there's no diet, it's a lifestyle. And I hope you check it out. If you are trying to incorporate more plants into your diet and kind of struggling with that, but you like how you feel already by doing green smoothies, I would love for you to check out our seasonal cleanses. We do one every season by using ingredients that are based around that season. So whether it's summer with watermelons or fall with squash, we have ways where you can add these plants into your meals, into your smoothies, so that you feel great and also are losing weight. So head on over here to check those out. And if you like this video, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I will continue to spread the green smoothie love far and wide. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.